Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure to the stunning island of Nusa Penida. Join us as we journey from Bali to one of the most beautiful destinations in Southeast Asia. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, World to Travel. Welcome to Nusa Penida, one of Indonesia's most beautiful and untouched islands. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive aerial journey to one of its hidden gems, Paluang Cliff. Isn't this view incredible? If you love discovering new places with us, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring you even more amazing content. All right, let's get back to exploring. Our adventure begins as we soar above the verdant landscapes of Nusa Penida, heading towards the dramatic cliffs that make this island so special. From every angle, Paluang Cliff offers a breathtaking panorama. The sheer drop of the cliffs contrasts beautifully with the vibrant blue of the sea below. Watch as the powerful waves crash against the base of these ancient rocks, sculpting the coastline over centuries and creating a natural masterpiece. The view from Paluang Cliff extends as far as the eye can see, with the endless horizon merging with the sky, offering a serene and peaceful vista. This top-down perspective reveals the true scale and majesty of Paluang Cliff, a natural wonder that remains one of Nusa Penida's best-kept secrets. As we reach the coastline, the view opens up to reveal the stunning Paluang Cliff, where towering limestone formations meet the crystal-clear waters of the Indian Ocean. Thank you for joining us on this breathtaking aerial tour of Paluang Cliff. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stunning destinations. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. We post amazing travel adventures, tips, and guides that you definitely want to be a part of.